Oh, okay. What the hell? Hello, guys. Right. Where's all these people? Right. Right. Actually, I was just wanted to test my camera and stuff, but since we are here, we can do stuff. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay, so today I just wanted to do a simple UI actually, or whatever. No, I'm actually going to do something in Unity. So for today, what I was thinking doing, pause menu, I believe. Right. Oh, what the hell happened to this one? It's supposed to be shift. Yeah. Okay. Right. So pause menu. Well, actually, this project is kind of built differently than my previous ones. So how I'm doing now, I have a loader screen scene in the scene. I just have one application loader, and that's gonna instantiate all the managers, which is really good in terms of single entry point. So basically, if anything goes wrong, it's gonna be somewhere in the script first, and then in one of the managers. So it's easier to debug, and I just like this way, like it this way. So yeah. So how should I do a pause menu UI? It's scene. So I think so. It shouldn't be in the loader. It shouldn't be in the main menu, obviously. But first, just make the UI itself. I'm gonna make it in the loader because it's gonna be prefab anyway. So prefabs. I'm gonna create a. Oh, where is UI canvas? Let's start with the button. Don't need the event system. Reverbs UI. For now, this one's fine. And just the usual. And 50, I believe. Nope, 0.5. Okay. Right, and I think I'm gonna work in the prefab from now. Which is this one? No, the other one. Yep. I can override it, so it's fine. Oh, where is it? So first we're gonna need a button, resume button. It doesn't matter what I'm gonna name this one, but I'm actually gonna add localization right away and create 3 more. What's the others? Usually it's gonna be settings. I want the settings. Just resume and exit actually. So yeah, let's go with 2 buttons first. Or quit. And this is gonna be quit. I actually have already a script for button UX. Okay. Yep. And I'm gonna copy the same one. Yeah. No, actually the values are the same. Okay. Just have to check in the other scenes what are the settings. Main menu, I believe. Yeah, maybe whatever. Okay. Actually, if I prefab these, I can just simply reuse that. So prefab UI. And just start with the quits. Oh, okay. Quits. So this is going to be the button base. So in here, instead of these, I'm just going to add this one. And what? From 200 through 100. It's probably very small. Okay. Let's say it's gonna be in the middle. 400. Is it so small? 1,000. 500. No, that's too much. 90. Oh, 90. 200 maybe. Yep, so it's an overlay. Why it's not visible? Oh, okay. Obviously we're gonna need a panel. It's gonna be I just simply free the game. So what I'm trying to do is I just want to make a simple base. I just gotta show you. So I just want to make a simple base horror game, and I'm making the systems, like the loading system and stuff, modular, so I can reuse the whole thing basically and build up on it for another one. So this is probably going to be a really bad game, which is fine, but I've got character controller. This one's not opening. And yeah, the whole thing about it is I just want to make it like proper. So there's a core with the character controller, loggers, base classes and stuff. And yeah, all the interspaces. So I want it to be really modular, so I can reuse it in another project. Even the main menu is built up, like there's the main menu scene, and when I load it, come on. So when I load it, there's actually two scenes, the main menu and the main menu background. So if I want to swap this background for a different one, I just load a different scene in, and that's it. So yeah, I just want that kind of modularity. So yeah, and that's about it basically. Oh, awesome. That's a bug. So let's try it. I just double clicked it. It's loading twice. Okay, that's cool. Let's fix that. So let's go to the, where's the main menu buttons? Main menu. Yep. So where is the start game, resume game? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is create a bool is button pressed false robot false, and if is button pressed return, and also set it to true. Is button pressed false? Oh no, this was right. Is button pressed? Oh come on, yeah, here. Right, and all I need to do is start game, same options. No, it's fine. So resume game, start game, and quit. Yeah, why not? What do you mean? Oh, okay. Yeah. No. What? Stupid. I'm just setting it to true. Oh, whatever. Let's try now. This one's not. Right, and this one. Authorize. Yeah, okay. Right, let's try it. Okay, we are here and what? Oh, because this one is called from. No, add listener, start game. Oh, yeah, okay. Because it's cached. Yeah, right. And it did. So is resume button pressed, and this one is start button pressed, and he is quit button pressed. Let's see. Da 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 da. Down, there it is. Okay. Right. Okay, let's press it a few times. Yeah, only once. Okay. The other bug can be if I go back to the main menu. I won't be able to click it, but I don't think so because I unload the scene, so everything's gonna be the same. So it won't save it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's say that I don't know. just gonna do this one. I haven't changed anything in the other scenes, so guarding button spam. Right. And back to the menu UI. Just out of curiosity, is this visible when I press? Nope. Okay. Well, not sure why yet, but this is the button base. This is going to be the button. Resume. Zoom button, and one more is going to be the quit. Oh, quit button. Okay. Right. What is going on? 0 position. Ah, okay. This makes sense now. So let's go to 400 by 200. Maybe too big, but we're gonna change these to 50, I believe. Right, it's gonna go back again. 200, no, 400, 200. Maybe too big. Ah, okay, there we go. It's gonna be zoom. Okay, let's set the position. I'll just come from here to here. So quit and resume again from there. Coming up, resume. Okay, background fade panel. Right. Resume should go higher up, I believe. Especially they are overlapping. It's too big of a button. 300. Oh, no, that one 400. That's fine. 150. No, 100. 100 and 100. Okay. Yeah, I might just go to 25. This one, 120. 100. It should look relatively fine. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So we got the pause menu. Right. How should I do that? Actually, there's multiple ways I could do that. So what I need to find out is loading this one only when we are in game. So I shouldn't load it if we are on the main menu or the loader screen or any of that. So just in game. Yeah, I mean, the easiest one is just... Oh, wait. Yeah, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create a scene. Nope. So, oh, come on. So, I'm gonna create a scene. I'm just gonna copy... yeah, the loader, that's fine. I'm gonna call it... oh, what should I call it? Game... Gameplay... Oh, come on. Persistence. Gameplay persistence. Yeah, that's fine. It's going to be unaddressable anyway, so... I guess it's... I'm going to name it... Same scene. And drag and drop it. Right, and in the loader, scene manager. I know it's just loading the scenes I'm adding, so it's gonna be the main menu, start game, and resume game. So resume. Well, I haven't done that yet, but to do load. Yeah, that's fine. And also to do the game persistent. Okay, so this is the load addressable scene with actions. Right. Okay, I'm just unloading the other two. So I don't think I should. Yeah, just gonna use that after that because unloading it. Yeah, should be fine. Although this one is gonna be probably const shrink. What was it? Gameplay persistent scene address. Okay, and it was called this one. Okay, and in here, I'm just gonna load as well. Nightmare data. Scene manager. I don't need to do any of that because it's automatically doing that. Load scene mode, additive. Okay. Async. So I could await it, but Yeah, right now it's fine. Right, let's test it. Oh, I'm gonna see this one. It's unloading that. Gameplay persistent is loading. Oh, what happened? Reference exception. What? Okay, that's an interesting bug. Gonna get rid of this for now. Loaded in the main menu background on new game. Loading prototype and gameplay persistent, and it's loading back in that one. Why? I could do that. It wouldn't matter. Why is this loading it back? CS sniper globals. That's what I wanted. What's also let's see the script. Where is the other script? Scripts main menu manager. Okay. Yeah, I don't do anything. Let's see. Unload. What does this do? Yeah, nothing really. Okay. Manager base, loading manager. Oh, I think loading screen scene manager is the loading manager itself. So I've got the audio playfab, input manager. Okay, playfab, audio manager, input manager, save manager, scene manager, logger. Okay, it's everything. I've got a feeling it's something to do with what's working. Okay. Okay. So this is causing it. Why am I doing that actually? Because I could do just simply load it as a single scene. Let's do this. And then I just simply load this one editively. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Yep. Let's see. I think this should work. It's unloading the main menu. Why is it loading it back? Gameplay. Oh, I'm an idiot. Prototype. Which one was it? Gameplay persistent scene. Yes, thank you. Right. Okay. So in here, it was basically completely fine. Actually, I like this one better. It just loads it at the same time. So I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah. And in here, all I need to do is do that. Ah, okay. That's helpful. So where's the prefab? Let's dun, 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 dun. Okay, so if I press, awesome. Okay. The copy components, display mode, and I guess I can do this here. Right. So we got that, and for the text, no, yeah, localization service. Nope, not that one. This one. Yeah, did it? Did it? Authorized. Okay. Here it's authorized. No, it's not tables. Main menu. Oh. Oh, cool. Working. Finally. Okay. It's so annoying sometimes. Might not gonna call it main menu anymore, but okay. So localization. I actually do have a video about localization, and the way I do this is I'm using the Unity's localization package. It's quite easy to use. Like it has Google Docs implementation. So yeah, what I like to do is I've got this UI table, and all I need to do is type, which is going to be, what is it going to be? Pause menu. Okay, so just bring it here. So, dot. This is going to be resume and pause menu dot quit. Okay, and I already got to resume and quit. I know this is basically the same, but I just want to separate it, otherwise it can get I don't want to confuse it. I mean, if in the future I want to change the quit to exit, but only on the pause menu, I can change it here, but it won't change it in the menu. So yeah, I just rather do that, and I'm just gonna pull, and I think it pulled. Let's see. Oh yeah, pause menu. Right, and now in the text, it's localized. I need to do is pause menu dot quit. Oh, this one's gonna be the resume. This is gonna be the resume pause menu, and the other one is gonna be quit in the pause menu. Right, and if I turn it on, localization, if I say to Hungarian and back to English, and if I add many other languages, it's just gonna work like that. So I kind of really like it. Obviously there are the text sizes and stuff, which how I usually do it is, instead of font size like that, I just set it to 50 and the minimum to, well, 20 if it's like a really long word in a specific language, but I'm gonna need to test it anyway, so yeah, that's how I do it. Right, let's go back to actually set it to none because I don't need it. Right, animating the fade. Well, they're just animating. So what I've done so far, I've added yeah, fortunately I don't like coffee. But I'm just chilling anyway. So what I've done so far, just the visuals. And I need to assign some code, so do the inputs. And after that I'm gonna do the fading. Maybe we will animate the buttons, like floating them in or just from scaling it up. Let's see. Buttons. Right. So pause menu UI. I'm gonna create a script which is gonna be ND UI. Oh, I actually made these easy scripts. Right now, actually, I'm gonna need a model behavior, but whenever I want interface, enum, a class, just a simple class, static class, scriptable object, or even model behavior variant, it's just gonna create that template. So, for example, interface interface. Oh, why didn't it create it? Oh, because I haven't set it up yet. What? Why not? This one. Oh, new class. It should work. Oh well. Maybe I haven't pressed on the save before. Let's see. UI. Oh, come on. Okay, I need to bug fix that too. So back to the original one. Let's do wow. This is my first raid. Thank you though. So what I wanted to do. Oh, pause menu manager. Oh, it's gonna be a manager. Global manager? No, it's not gonna be a global gameplay. Nope. Oh, come on. I need to make another type of manager. Oh, where's the main menu? Oh, in the main menu script. Okay. It's gonna be okay in the UI for now. Oh, right now it's on the 6.3 LTS. I kind of try to update it every few weeks until it makes sense. So I won't update it endlessly. But right now, yeah, I updated to 6.3.8, which is, yeah, I mean 6.3 wasn't too stable in the beginning, so for a while I'm planning to update the editor version until it breaks something permanently. But yeah, I mean, I can do it in a different branch. If it doesn't work out, then just go back to the previous one and not worry about it. Oh, well, kinda. So what I'm trying to do is make a really simple game. Pro is gonna be shit. But have this basically like a really well planned core. Like I have a loader screen, loader scene, the proper main menu, like like a modular one, because right now when I'm loading the main menu, it's just the UI, and I have a main menu background, which is actually the scene itself. So it just loads in like multiple scenes. So if I start, I go straight to the loader screen, then it loads these. So I haven't set up the actual loading screen yet. But as you see, there's a main menu, which is just the UI. And the main menu background is the actual background here, which is really good because if I want to change the background scene to something else, I just change that scene and that's it, to another one. So yeah, I want something modular. Also on the buttons, like these kind of animations to be like just have those scripts and I don't have to worry about it later on. So just have a nice base and that's it. It's working. Except that. Okay, so back to the I have to add that scene. What was it called? Gameplay persistent. Okay. Right, gameplay persistent. And yeah, in the meantime, I'm making some assets as well. For example, I've got this a really good tool for shortcut is a loader. So whatever scene I'm in, even if I have multiple scenes loaded, if I press Shift1, it's just gonna go to my loader scene and start play mode. And because there's a loads of stuff in the loader here, which is gonna go to the don't destroy unload. They're all my managers, but persistent managers like input manager and stuff. And the good thing about it is when I exit play mode, it just loads back the scenes I had. So it just really easy to do, and I'm gonna make it as an asset on the asset store, maybe for free, maybe for a few bucks. But yeah, it helps me a lot, especially if somebody's doing like this simple entry point loading. So yeah, remove scene. Right. Oh, where am I? No, the other one. Okay. Yep. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, mainly just testing and learning some stuff. I never used HDRP before, and this one's in HDRP. I actually quite curious, because the main issue with URP for me on my previous projects was I couldn't get volumetric stuff, and which it wasn't a big issue because I was trying to do stuff for VR and mobile, but now I'm targeting PC. And yeah, I just want to learn anyway, and just curious, what is it gonna be? How hard is it, and what look can I get out of it? I mean, I'm not an artist or anything, so probably not a really good one, but just making volumetric lights should be really good. And I have a bunch of really good assets here, like which one is the grab it? So I don't have to place objects individually on a table. I just put a bunch of above it, and they're just gonna put a what's it called, physics on it in the editor, and then when it falls, it just removes it. So yeah, it looks like actually just threw it on it. So yeah, curious. What was I doing? Pause menu manager. Of course I misspelled it. Which wouldn't be an issue if I using your rider, but I'm using Visual Studio Code, so what's it called? Okay. Pause menu manager. I put this on before. Okay. Pause menu manager. There we go. Okay. So, how I usually do it is, instead of enabling and disabling the game object itself, which I really hate. But I don't hate it. I just in UI it just makes what, really? How did you find me? But yeah, I don't know if he's working right now or at home. What the hell? Great. So I could be an incognito on the internet when I'm no, I haven't even announced this stream. How? Well, back to Canvas. Well, I won't have any, so it's just a private. I don't need to reference it. Canvas, pause menu canvas, which is gonna be like that, and awake, get component in children. In children, if right. Oh, awesome. Thank you, but yeah, it's okay. Some of them is okay, some of them is really shit. But the amount of time I have, it's actually not that bad. Right, inputs. So I need to subscribe to the escape event. which is gonna be in the input somewhere. Oh, one of you asked which version I'm on. I hope you are not asking because you see these colored stuff here. Because that's an asset called, what is it called? The V for this V hierarchy. So I can do a bunch of stuff with this kind of stuff. So it's not built in the editor. So yeah, sorry. And even these, I don't think by default you got this line. If you make a header, or in this case the title, because I'm using the Odin inspector. So yeah, it's not the basic inspector. And I also have one of the assets which it makes it this dark theme, the right click, you know. So yeah, it's not just the basic 6.3 Unity version. So yeah, ask, let's go to inputs. Input actions, right. I think I have, oh, UI. In navigation, cancel, gonna be, I don't know, not that one. I guess I have to, yeah, I have to add an action, which is gonna be basically it's an ask. Let's find the okay. Okay, so keyboard no, not that one. Escape. Okay, escape keyboard. Great. Yeah, I might gonna rename it. And how are you guys going with your project? Are you in Maria's group or not? Where did I do the player interactable? Okay. Is it the Unity one? Because I think there are multiple groups. One for the what is it called when you need to make a board game, like a physical board game, or in the Unity one? Okay. Oh yeah, Mario said you've done the merge conflict today, or merging the branches. Nice. So I can actually show you. So how I do it with the linear. So whenever I'm doing something, I just go there, copy the name, new branch from the main, and that's it. And with that, anybody can track it through this. So, you know, you are just looking for NMG 18. You just go here and search for NMG 18. I don't think I've done this one, but yeah, like 31, 42. Yeah. That's why I like linear over Jira. Oh yeah, he did mention it. Yeah, actually, you got really lucky with merging that. But yeah, I mean, nice one. Oh, inputs. Back to inputs. Where did I? Yeah. Okay. This one's gonna be a good one. So player inputs. I'm just gonna copy it. Do. Oh, what was it? Player recast. Yep. I got that. And yeah. And obviously if player inputs equals no. No. That. Okay, so I get notification of that, and then finally I can subscribe to that. Like this one. It's not gonna be better you start, because sometimes the input actions are not enabled on awake. They should be by that time. On destroy, just gonna disable. So it's gonna be UI escape performed. Oh, on. It goes on escape. Right, and here I just gonna unsubscribe. Right. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm just gonna toggle the visibility. I don't need that for now. And here I do need some, so title, UI element. It does know what I want. Serialized field, required serialized field. Come on. It's gonna be an image. Yeah, image. Private image. Image. Oh, not image. Background panel. Yep. Do I need anything else right now? Don't think so. And this one should work actually. Yeah, background panel. I'm just gonna go, yep, open it up and do that. I mean, if it worked, it worked. Wait, you are watching the you're watching the vertical one. Why does even YouTube doing a vertical one? Oh well. I actually streaming this in proper 16:9 as well. Yeah, I'm just looking at the stream settings, and yes, so I'm gonna show you. So for some reason, we're doing a vertical one, which is fine. Oh, why not on? And I also doing a normal one, which what nobody sees apparently. I'm not gonna turn off the vertical at this point. Doesn't matter. But it's highly cropped. Like, yeah, you can't even see the I don't think you can see what I'm writing. Can you? Come on, show it. Oh well. Okay. Tweening. Oh, I hate tweening. I mean, I kind of like it, but just so. Okay. Tween. Do tween. I'm gonna need using 2 PG tweening. Okay. Okay, so the end value is 1. But yeah, I'm gonna need again required. So I also need to tell it background fade. Yeah, duration, but also I'm gonna need to background fade target, which is gonna be whatever. I always used lean tween, and I'm using dot tween or do tween or whatever it's called. Lean tween is quite easy, but when you want to do sequential ones, it's so freaking slow. It's so freaking annoying. Yeah. So, but imagine like 1,000 times slower in sequential. Everything else is fine, but in sequential, I just dies for some reason, probably in a bug or something, but yeah, that's why I'm switching to Dotween. Well, I just need to get used to it. I mean, the robot helps a lot, but yeah. Right, let's see. It should be enabled. Yeah, for some reason, the vertical streams are, it's always, there's always more viewers. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it fades in, but doesn't fade out. Okay. I do it easier. So if if it's enabled, then this one's gonna be this. Oh, come on, don't. Why are you smarter than me? Yeah, that's all I want. Finally. Okay, I don't need this time scale. And do fade. And the starting one's gonna be. Delete that. So it's going from. Oh, wait. It's actually doing that. So if it's enabled, then the target. Okay. No, it's still not good. So from 0 to the target. What is it? Background panel targets over fade duration. What? Okay, this graphics. Okay. But we had targets, not targets, end value and start value didn't make. Oh, come on. This one. Oh, just end value. Oh, yeah, actually, it makes sense. So the end value here, if it's enabled, then it's 0, which is fine. And oh, come on. And if it's not enabled, then the fade value. Yeah. Oh, okay. Fading out, it's not gonna work because I disable it before I'm fading out. Oh, does it have those actions? Okay, if it's enabled, if it's not enabled, then close menu dot enable true, and this one, okay, it's false, but it's gonna do it on the same frame. I need to wait till the fade is done. How do you do that? because you can build on top of these, but dot on complete, yeah. No, isn't there on complete? Dot on complete. How does it work? No, it's not. Come on. This was definitely how that worked. Complete tween callback. Right. Also tween. Yes, that's one. This is. I need to kill the tween. If I spam it, I guess it's gonna be an issue. Although if I kill it, if it's enabled, then ground panel dot that's the image. So fill. Just if I do oh, okay, that's not that bad. A equals, if it's enabled, then the target. So I set it to the target. I can't set it to the target. Ah, okay. Color. Yes, that's what it's gonna be. So I just reset it and I do the same here. Yes. Okay, how do I do this on complete? I just asked the robot. I need to call. Start. And is completed. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. What's the difference? Oh my god. Capital O. Okay. Right. Let's try it. I'm gonna add a little longer fade background. Fade target. That's fine. Obviously, canvas fade 65. Oh, RGB 0 to 1, 0.65. Yep, and let's do 1 sec. That's gonna be good enough. Okay, ask. Yep. And going away. Okay. Okay, that works. The only thing left is the two buttons. Fading's gonna be quicker. I think the nominal value, the duration should be the animation value, which is where I already have a okay, it's not here. Okay, so public static float constant float animation speed equals 0.3. 0.3. This is the default for every iOS fading or interaction, whatever you do on your phone. I don't need a comment on it. I do know what it is. So this is gonna be fade duration. I don't need this, and this is gonna be global start animation speed, and that one too. Okay. On complete. And I think I'm gonna create a function to subscribe and unsubscribe from the input action, because in that case I need to wait till I press the ask. Oh no. Is that a good method? I mean, it's 0.3 seconds, so it's not like that much. Oh, yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna subscribe and unsubscribe. We'll see how it feels. So private. Put and subscribe input. Okay. And when I press it, I just unsubscribe input and uncomplete. Subscribe input. Yep. And the same here. Unsubscribe input. And uncomplete subscribe input. Not like that. Like that. Is it? Something like that. Right. Let's see. It might be bad. Okay. Okay. Ish. Right. Now I just need to figure out when I want to show the buttons. Yeah. So for the buttons, I try just half this animation speed just to try out how it feels actually. Right. Yeah, kind of better. I think I'm gonna go with 0.15 of a second. Right? And also, oh, yeah. Yeah, well, first, I do need the two buttons. Now input settings. I can need buttons and maybe a subtitle. Buttons too. What is it called? Yeah, whatever. So again, required button, resume, not options. It's gonna be quit. Yeah, I mean, I could add one more when with the desktop or exit to desktop. I might add that at some point. Right. Yeah, let's do that. So resume button, resume game. Just create these and on here, remove listener. Okay. So, okay. Actually, I can do a new method. What? So I'm just gonna create a method for panel no pause menu toggle. Pause menu toggle. And this is gonna be this one. This is gonna be pause menu toggle. Yep. Resume. Yeah, it's enabled, so yeah, that should work. I do have a to-do. Set the what is it called? Time scale. On quit. Okay, this one's gonna be timer data dot scene manager dot menu scene address, and also needs to do it's not editably, so this is going to be a single load type, and then I'm gonna load in the additively, which if I do, I don't need that. The main menu background scene. Okay, actually, yeah, I actually just need to do it in these two places, so it doesn't matter to put that into a manager and just call it. So yeah. Right. Let's see if it works. So if I resume it, it should go back. If I press ask, it should work. And the time scale. Yeah, if you've got any idea how to do it. Hey, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? No reference exception to pause menu. Oh, okay. Okay, so resume button and quit button. Okay, the validator did scream, I just haven't seen it. Because I disabled it here. Oh, I never know where to do that. Oh, okay. Actually new. But yeah, so if you've got any ideas how to do it, yeah, feel free. Okay, I need to disable that and quit. Resume. Okay. Yeah, when I press ask, I do have to disable the camera rotation, which is gonna be tricky because I'm using the Cinemachine camera and not as a separate input. Okay. Okay, let's go into that scene. Okay, this one's gonna be interesting. The player. Do I need the player? Oh yeah, player. Visual camera. This is where I'm doing it. And I need to disable it when I'm pressing the menu button and enable the cursor. So, okay, but how am I gonna get this one into the script? This one is probably gonna be the best with the data. I'm gonna make an iPlayer, I believe, and I'm gonna have a player script on this one anyway. Player, yes. Okay, it's not gonna be that hard. So, gameplay interfaces. iPlayer. Do I have iPlayer? iPlayer. Awesome. I actually can use this. But first, what I've done so far, I did UI, visual, and what else? Right, and manager. Menu manager. Right. Okay, so iPlayer. I have a player. iPlayer. This is gonna be iPlayer. And just gonna do the player name. Player one. Well, yeah, player. Let's say player. Doesn't matter. And on awake. Awake. I'm gonna need an initialize. Initialize. This is gonna be initialize and what do I want? Oh, I need to send this into the nightmare data, which is the bigger player, and this is gonna go nightmare data dot the player equals this. Right. Yep, initializing it. And in this case, what we need to do in the iPlayer, I'm gonna need it could be a getter, although I do need to find it. So do I cache it anywhere else? So I'm just gonna need to pass in this Cinemachine input access controller into somewhere here. Player raycast, UI, character controller. Yeah, I don't do anything like that. So Cinemachine camera. That's just the camera, I believe. Okay, so initialize, and I'm gonna have a private Input axis controller, machine input axis controller. Right, and from here I'm gonna need an machine input controller. Yes. Okay. And I'm gonna have this, which is gonna be this one. Yes. And on awake at initialize get component children if was no logger. Okay. And what I will need to do in the other one, pause manager, what was the issue on ask? The input was still moving. If I set the time scale, that time scale is 0. There is something with the animation, I just can't remember what. Right, let's see. Oh, do I still need to enable the pointer? What I disable on loading the game. Okay, yep. I can't click them because there is no event system in the scene. I believe. Assistant, just create a UI canvas button. UI event system. Yeah, UI. Okay. Yeah, and the pointer is disabled. Where? Main menu manager. Main menu prototype scene. Maybe in here. I play on the player. I have done that. Player UI. Player raycast. Player. Ah, this one. Okay. I actually have no idea which one to use. Okay, pause menu manager. Da, da, da. So if it's enabled, time scale should go here. And visible force, yeah. It could be here as well. Okay, and it's instantly freezes the time, and I believe this one. Okay. Okay. It's not clickable. Why not clickable? These are buttons. Canvas button. Interactable. And system. Yeah, just check the event system in the main menu. It's the same. So canvas, graphic raycaster, canvas scaler. I think I do have all of them. Button. It doesn't even do the hover thing, so that's copy component. Yeah, let's see. Persistent. Yeah, it does this. Layout element, that's fine. Pose menu, canvas, graphics raycaster, blocking mask. Yeah, I don't see why it's not working. Except if I'm using the wrong cursor thingy. Oh wait. Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. So this time, that time, yeah, that's gonna be it. Remember, pausing is not that easy. So I'm gonna need to look into that later. Right. All right. Yes. So if I resume it, okay. If I quit, it does loads in the main scene. Okay. So, oh come on. It's a script. Yeah. So in here, I'm just gonna need to disable and enable the Cinemachine input controllers. So toggle input. None this one. Not this one. Yep. Oh, what did this do? Oh, okay. So, okay. Right. So if enable, then player. I think that will do. If not, I just have to get the ball and enable and disable it individually. Yeah, we'll see in a minute. Okay. Yeah. What happened here? Put access controller. I mean, it should have been. Do I have input access controller? The machine input access controller. Yeah. If we enable it, this one. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Obviously. So if it's enabled, then disable it. No, if it's enabled, if the pause menu enabled, then enable it. If it's disabled, so I'm enabling it, and set it to false. Okay. What's this one? Okay, I'm quite happy with the camera actually. It's been over 2 hours and it's 4K, 30 FPS. Yes. 4K 30 FPS. I do have a fan on it. But yeah, otherwise, if I don't have a fan, it usually overheats within 20 minutes. But yeah, it's worth it. And it's not even that hot. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. 1.4. I can't tell. Is it blurry? Yep. Okay. It's quite cool. Okay. Back to it. Right, resume, goes back, working, quit, goes to the main menu. Seems like everything's working. Yeah, it loads in, so it doesn't. Yeah, so the only thing that's bugging me is when I press ask again, I should disable the buttons. Okay, so I already have the buttons here, so yeah, toggle buttons. Oh, wait. Okay, yep, toggle buttons, and when I do it, so if it's enabled and I'm fading out, then I should disable it right away, but yeah, this is gonna be right. Let's see. New game. Loads in. Ask. Wait, what? Ask. Yeah, it's visible right away. It's after the fade, isn't it? No. Yeah, it's after the fade. Why is it after the fade? Oh, I just don't see it. So, if the pause menu is enabled, so you will see the pause menu. We are enabling it, then you show the buttons right away. Which is, I don't think I want. So I want it to show up when the fade is done. Yeah. Yeah. And then oh, by default they are enabled, so toggle buttons false, so I don't see it. So that's going to be the enabled. Yes, and this is when we fading to the target, and this is where we fading out. So when we are fading out, we want to start with disabling the buttons, then do this, whatever, doesn't matter. Yeah, And here it's gonna be in the same frame. So if I want to be the buttons to be visible, I want it only here after we fed it to the target, I believe. Let's see. So this one. Wait, toggle buttons. Oh, interactable. Oh, freaking robot. Okay. Dot set active. Game object dot set active. Enable. Jesus. This is exactly why I hate sometimes the AI. It looks like it's the right one. You just overlook it and you're just bug fixing something you shouldn't have in the first place. Yeah. Yes. That's it. Okay. Cool. So what I've done is the fading in and out of buttons of what is it called? Player pause menu. Pause menu and what was it exactly? So screening background and buttons. Right. Okay, let's test it. I believe. I think I'm gonna make a build. But to make a build, I need to add this scene. Open scene, there's that open scene. Yep. Which I really hate, but okay, build. Build. Yeah, build. Okay, am I gonna break the frame rate at some point? But I'm just gonna monitor it. So performance, CPU memory. Wow, that's a lot. It's using that much memory. Yeah, Unity. Okay, for the time being, I just close this because I don't need it. Everything else I probably need. Yeah, okay. Wonder if it's gonna be like it or not. Wow. Right, chit chat time. If anybody's around. I should have disabled the obfuscator because it's just a dev build at this point. Yo. Mind me later. Just a simple pause minion. Oh. Yeah. Although it does upload in time. Right. Oh. I think I'm gonna end this stream anyway. Soon. But yeah, thanks for joining. Have a nice weekend. Just gonna finish this build, try it out, and that's it. Gonna go to okay, build completed. So don't have application target frame rate set yet, so it might, well, just gonna be a quick test. Let's go. Right. Quit. Okay. Option still working. Okay. Can go back. Yeah. Quit. Wow. Okay. That was a quick test. Yeah, it seems like nothing's broken, so I don't need that. So I'm just gonna make the PR. Okay, pause menu done. all. And yeah, from next time, I'm gonna go from here. Okay, so so thanks for joining, and I think I'm gonna do another one tomorrow. Let's see what other stuff I have to do. Yeah. Oh yeah, and this one's automatically if you have a PR, just automatically moves to the done column. So yeah. Right, I've got some door mechanic to fine tune. Door. Okay. Audio system. Oh, walking animation. That would be nice to do. Surveillance camera system. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I might do that to just render textures and cameras. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. I might gonna do this all day. So yeah. Yeah. That's it, and see you tomorrow, I guess. Bye.